Hey everyone, it's Mac from Simple Theory Gear. Hope you're doing well. We've received a lot of questions as of late about carrying systems and the way to carry the pack stove or way to pack the pack stove into your kit. So I wanted to readdress that. I've touched upon it before and talked about, carrying inside pots, but I want to show you how I carry my stoves just to make it simple and to showcase two new items. Now, I'm not promoting these items necessarily, it's just what I use, and it really kind of showcases the height and the fit and what you can expect and different things you can pick up on your own. So to start off with, normally, let's say I'm using the very classic Stanley cook set, and I usually pair that with the standard, right? And inside here too, I have my solid fuel kit. I'll usually pack, I don't have it with me today, but I'll usually pack my tinder tin underneath, so I have an all-in-one cooking system. And then what I'll do is I just slide it into my backpack right here. So this is just the LL Bean. I think it's the Continental Ruck. I've had it for, 4 years or so. It's held up really well. And it just goes in the sleeve here so that I have everything locked in and kind of out of the way, so my main compartment can have extra clothing, have the food, have water, anything I need. I carry the grill plate that we have, the Exhibition grill, and then also a windscreen too, just to make sure that I'm all prepared to cook, a light lunch or something like that out in the woods. So if we're gonna bring a water bottle, this is just a Pathfinder, Self-Reliance Outfitters. It's a 32-ounce water bottle. And then what this will do, it'll fit into the cup, and then it fits into our XL perfectly. So what I'll do with that is then this is the Max Pedition 12-inch by 5-inch, and I'll put it in its sleeve and then just slide it in. So that way I have a water carrying system, cooking system all in one, and then inside the sleeve here, I'll have a small little fire kit. I have a candle in here, a little Essie Azula. These came from a wonderful customer up in Alaska. These are the little Kendall mint cakes I have in here. Just a little system all in one. It's all contained. So this is one of my new carries. You can see it's not really beat up too much. Had it for about 3 months or so. Now, moving on down the line here, I talk about if I'm going to bring in some bigger meals, some rice meals, some pasta meals, things like that. So I'm not just heating up water for like a mountain house or something like that, but really getting into some bigger cooking. This is the GSI Duelist, and what I'll do with that, if I'm bringing the bowl with it, put the bowl in. This is the XL model again, and the XL is 5.3 inches tall. So you have to kind of look at the specs and a lot of specs on Amazon are not completely correct. And you got to notice the top of the vessel you're using. Is it concave or convex? This one is convex, which means it bows up. So it goes over top of it and we're set to go. Now I have my bowl, I have my cooking system. Inside the XL, as you saw, here is my Trangia burner. All set, ready to go. Now, this was my old system. What I've been trying out for a couple weeks and will continue to try out is the Toaks 1100. Now, the Toaks 1100, really lightweight because it's titanium, and little fidgety parts, but I'm working through that. But what I like about it is that it's so lightweight. The XL and the standard both fit in perfectly, and it just goes right on top here, and the little orange sleeve that comes with it, the little cook set, and ready to go. And again, I could have the tinder tin in there if I'm going to be burning biofuel. I can easily put in my Trangia if I'm going to use alcohol, or I have the Expedition fuel cubes. I'll use those for solid fuel, and it all condenses down together. So when people say, oh, your stove doesn't break down and you're not saving space that way, you have to understand that we are saving space, because if you're going to bring a pot anyway, now you have no extra space taken up. If you're going to be bringing your Stanley cook set, it wraps around. So again, you're using almost like a koozie. You're carrying it, you're nesting it. So that's how we kind of save space with our stove. So guys, just wanted to show that real quick. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please let us know. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We show a lot of this stuff on Instagram, so go ahead and check this out. Just Simple Theory Gear LLC on Instagram. And that's really about it. Again, let us know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. Thank you guys so much for everything you've done for Simple Theory Gear, and we'll see you right here on the next one.